To Parlay on Bovada. Start by understanding what a parlay is, which is a single bet that links together two or more wagers. This type of bet requires all the individual wagers to win in order for the parlay to pay out. First, go to the Bovada website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one and make a deposit to start betting. Once logged in, navigate to the sportsbook section where you can browse through various sports and leagues. Select the sport and league you are interested in betting on and choose the games you want to include in your parlay. You can select multiple games by clicking on the odds for each game. The selected games will be added to your bet slip, which is usually located on the right side of the screen. In the bet slip, you will see the option to create a parlay. Click on this option and select the type of parlay you want to place, such as a 2-team parlay or a 3-team parlay. You can also choose from various parlay options, including point spreads, money lines, and over/under bets. After selecting your parlay type, enter the amount you want to bet and click on the Place Bet button. Review your bet details carefully before confirming, as parlays can be complex and have different payout structures. It is essential to understand the payout structure for parlays, which is typically higher than single bets but also carries more risk. A key concept to keep in mind is the parlay payout chart, which shows the potential payout for a parlay based on the number of teams included. To manage risk and maximize potential returns, consider the following best practices. Start with smaller parlays and gradually increase the number of teams as you gain experience. Also, make sure to shop for the best odds and lines, as small differences can add up over time. Finally, always set a budget and stick to it, as parlays can be tempting but also carry significant risk. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively parlay on Bovada and enjoy a more engaging and rewarding sports betting experience.